Chapter 6. Digestion of food. Every day you eat different types of foods to get energy for doing different works. Your mother always insists to have food before going to school or play. Have you ever thought what happens to the food you eat? What is the manner to eat food? How the foods eaten by you produce energy? Let's find answers to such questions in this chapter. Many times you have noticed that your friend complaining stomach pain. Actually he ate the food hastily and came with you for cycling. He did not chew the food properly so that it may digest easily in the stomach. The undigested food pinched in his stomach and he was complaining stomach pain. You must chew your food properly so that it may digest in your stomach. Word to know. Digest, breaking down of food to be absorbed and used by the body. Digestion of food. Digestion of food is the process in which food is broken down into simpler molecules to be absorbed and used by the body. The digested food is absorbed by the blood and carried to different parts of the body to produce energy and build new cells for our growth. Once the properly chewed food is swallowed, it passes through various organs and acted upon by different enzymes to be broken into simpler molecules. No more. Enzymes, chemicals produced in our body. Cells, building blocks of our body. These simpler molecules are then absorbed by our blood and carried to different parts of the body to produce energy in new cells. Digestive system. Our teeth play a major role in digestion of food. As the food enters our mouth, the teeth starts chewing it. The teeth break the food into small pieces and saliva secreted by the mouth makes it paste-like soft to be swallowed easily. Saliva contains an enzyme called amylase which breaks starch present in food into sugar. You can feel sweet taste of simple bread after taking a bite and chewing it sometime. This sweet taste is due to breaking of starch into sugar by amylase. Thus digestion of food starts from our mouth. When we swallow our foods, it passes through food pipe, stomach, small intestine, then large intestine and finally undigested food is wasted thrown out through anus. Let's now learn what happens to the swallowed food. Word to know. Saliva, digestive juice secreted by salivary gland in mouth. Food pipe. The swallowed food enters into a tube-like structure called food pipe. It is about 10 inches long connected to the stomach. Muscles of the food pipe slowly expand and contract that allow paste-like food to enter into the stomach. Stomach. Our stomach is a bean-shaped muscular bag. It holds and churns the food with digestive enzymes and acid. The acid secreted by our stomach kills bacteria present in the food. The enzymes break the food into simple form to be absorbed and used by our body. Food in the stomach thus becomes thick liquid called chyme and enters into small intestine. Small intestine. It is 1.5 inches thick and about 20 feet long tube curled around in our belly. Here digestive enzymes to digest the food come from liver, pancreas and gallbladder. These enzymes digest carbohydrates, fats and proteins and break them into more simpler form. These simpler form of food is absorbed or assimilated by our blood with the help of finger-like structure called villi on inner wall of the small intestine. Our blood carries all these nutrients to different parts of the body to produce energy and build new cells for our growth. Actually, all the nutrients of the food are absorbed in the small intestine. Then undigested food enters into the large intestine. Large intestine. It is 2.5 inches thick and 5 feet tube-like structure. Here water from the undigested food is absorbed and undigested food waste is thrown out through its lower part called rectum and anus. Word to know: rectum, temporary storage site of feces. Quick recap. Digestion is the process of breaking down of food into simpler molecules to be used by the body. Our teeth chew the food and saliva makes it paste-like soft. Digestion of food starts in the mouth. Food from mouth goes into stomach through food pipe. Enzymes break down the food into simpler form and acid kills bacteria present in food. Food in the semi-liquid form passes into small intestine where all the nutrients are absorbed by the blood. Blood supplies all the nutrients to different parts of the body to make new cells. Undigested food from small intestine passes into large intestine where water is absorbed and food waste is thrown out of body as feces.